Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya wal mursaleen. Sayyidina wa Maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. عن عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله تعالى عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لامرئ ما نوى فمن كانت هجرته إلى الله ورسوله فهجرته إلى الله ورسوله ومن كانت هجرته إلى الدنيا أو امرأة يتزوجها فهجرته إلى ما هاجر إليه متفق عليه. On the authority of Umar ibn Khattab, may God be pleased with him, he said, the Holy Messenger of Allah, may peace and mercy of Allah be upon him, he said, actions are judged by motives, and man will have whatever he intended. So he whose migration was to Allah and His Messenger, so his migration is to Allah and His Messenger. And he whose migration was to whatever thing he might gain, or a woman to marry her, so his migration is to that for which he migrated. Respected viewers, this hadith reveals that man will get award according whatever to his motivation. So the man who wants to meet Allah and His Messenger, so he will be meet to Allah and Messenger, and he wants to pass his life according to the commandments of Allah Almighty, according to the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. So he will be entered the paradise, will be protected against the hellfire. Allah will give him the immense reward. On the other hand, the man who wants to get worldly things and he wants to marry to a woman, so he will be awarded according to his niyyat. As we see in the society that there are some people who want to be a rich man or something, and they do not care for to please Allah and His Messenger, and their aim of life is to get more and more wealth and to be recognized as a rich man. So a Muslim is that who wants to please Allah and Messenger and to pass his life according to the teachings of Islam. So by the grace of God, he will get the immense reward. So it is necessary that we should do correct our niyyat and do every actions according to the teachings of Islam, so that we may be a successful one in this life and in the hereafter. May Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to act upon this hadith. Ameen. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.